Welcome back to Easy Step English, and Happy New Year! We're here in the studio for another fun episode for you.
And today, we talk about something important, going to the doctor. Many people feel nervous, even in their own language.
Yeah, and for English learners, it can feel extra scary. But with a few good phrases, you can explain what's wrong.
That's right, Jake. Let's start with some easy words. Doctor, nurse, appointment, clinic, pain, medicine.
Right, and body words. Head, stomach, throat, back, chest.
Also, cough, fever, cold, flu. These words help you tell your story.
Okay, imagine you're at the clinic. You walk to the front desk. A person smiles and says, "Hello, do you have an appointment?"
You can say, "Yes, I have a 3 o'clock appointment with Dr. Smith."
Or, "No, I don't. I need to see a doctor today."
Then they give you a form to fill out. Name, address, phone number, maybe insurance.
If you don't understand a question, say, excuse me, can you help me with this form?"
Uh-huh. That shows you are responsible, and you want to give the right information.
Right. Okay, so let's do a mini story. I wake up, I feel terrible. My head hurts, my throat is sore. I decide to go to the doctor. You sit in the waiting room. You feel a little afraid. Then the nurse calls your name.
The nurse says, "Hi, Jake. Please follow me." In the exam room, the doctor says, "Hello. What brings you in today?"
Then I say, "Hello, I have a bad headache and my throat hurts."
Ouch. The doctor asks, "How long have you felt this way?
For 3 days.
Do you have a fever?"
Yes, I think so. I feel very hot and tired.
The doctor listens, checks your temperature, maybe looks in your throat, then says, "You have a small infection. I'll give you some medicine."
Okay, important phrase here. How often should I take it?
Right, and another important one, before or after food.
Yep. Also, are there any side effects? Side effects are small bad things from the medicine, like feeling sleepy.
You can ask, "Is it safe with my other medicine?" if you already take pills.
Let's practice a short dialogue. I'll be the patient. Laura, you be the doctor.
"Hello. What seems to be the problem?"
Hello, my stomach hurts, especially after I eat.
"I see. Do you have any allergies? Any medicines you can't take?"
Then I say, "Thank you. Can you please write the instructions for me?"
That sentence is gold for learners. Written instructions help so much.
Sometimes the doctor uses big words. You can say, "Sorry, what does that mean?"
Or, "Can you say that in simple English?" That sounds clear and polite.
You can also bring a small notebook. Write new words like infection or dosage.
Then later at home, you can look them up or practice them out loud.
Remember, doctors and nurses want to help you. They do not expect perfect grammar.
Use simple sentences, point to the place that hurts, and ask them to speak slowly.
If you feel very shy, you can say, "English is not my first language. Please speak slowly."
That one sentence can make the whole visit feel more calm.
And if you need a friend or family member, you can ask, "Can my friend come in with me?"
Good one. Many clinics would say yes, especially if language is a problem.
I agree. Our goal here is to assist in your English journey, so the language barrier isn't as much of a problem, but that only works with lots of practice.
That's right. We encourage you to pick out the words and phrases you may not have understood and study them. Say them out loud until it starts to feel natural. Don't worry if it doesn't sound perfect, because it doesn't have to. You just want to be clear enough to communicate your point.
Right, and as time goes on, you'll naturally sound more like native English speakers. But again, the key is lots of practice. Let us know in the comments what topics you would like us to cover. Do you think our pace is just fine, or should we slow things down? Let us know.
Absolutely. We'll be here with you step by step, helping you become better English speakers. So until next time, take care. See you soon.